Hi everyone, welcome back to another session of Learning with ISRAR here on ISRAR'S channel. Today we are talking about how to get a supply chain analytics job, your roadmap to a data-driven career. Remember, supply chain plus analytics is a high demand career, and the companies everywhere are looking for professionals who can turn data into smart decisions. So let's break it down step by step and explore the path together. Here is a typical step-by-step path to supply chain analytics career. So step number one is build foundations. And number two is develop analytics skills. And number three is get certified. Number four is gain experience. Number fifth is job search strategy. And finally, keep growing. The first step is building foundation, in which you will try to get a degree or certifications in supply chain management, business analytics, or engineering. Also, learn the supply chain basics like procurement, logistics, inventory, and planning. Also, understand the supply chain management key performance indicators. Next step is developing analytics skills, which includes advanced Excel skills, including advanced formula, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, Microsoft Excel, and Google Sheets, and macros are often a must-have. SQL for data extraction and queries. So learn Python uh, or R for forecasting and optimization. Tableau and Power BI is also very important to learn for dashboards and visualization. Getting familiarity with the enterprise resource planning ERP system can be also very beneficial. In next step, we will learn and develop some soft skills, because these are also very important with the technical skills. The number one is like business acumen, a solid understanding of business principles, operations, and economics is necessary to apply analytics effectively. Problem solving is the ability to identify problems, analyze root causes, and propose solutions within the complex supply chain environment is also a key. And developing interpersonal skills are also very important for analytics professionals, because good communication, teamwork, and interpersonal skills are important for collaborating with various stakeholders. In next step, we will try to get certified, because gaining local and global recognition with certification is very important to get a job in this field. Some of the well recognized options include APIC as Apex, like for CSCP, that is a certified supply chain professional. Then another certification is Google Data Analytics, uh, like Coursera and edX. You can get also certification in Lean Six Sigma, which is very important for process improvement excellence. CAP, Certified Analytics Professional certification, is also very important for this job. Also explore local certifications available in your country or region for added credibility. Gaining experience is also a very important step in the path to becoming a chain analytics. So start with small projects like demand forecasting or cost optimization. Also try to get the feel of data by using open data like Kaggle supply chain data sets. Internships and volunteer roles in planning and logistics is another way of gaining the experience. Also try to build a GitHub or portfolio to showcase your work. To get a job in this field, it is very important that you have a job search strategy. So keep updating the resume on different social media platforms, but showing your achievements, not just your duties or responsibilities. Apply for the roles like supply chain analysts, demand planning analysts, logistics data analyst, and procurement analytics specialists. It is very important that you should highlight your achievements with the numbers and the results, not just writing your duties or responsibilities or education. The last step is the professional development. Since this field is highly specialized, it is essential to continuously enhance your knowledge and skills by joining the professional networks like Apex, CSCMP, and ISM. Also, keep following supply chain leaders and influencers on different social media platforms. Try to attend webinars, workshops, and conferences related to the subjects. And it is very important that you stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, digital supply chains, blockchains, and best practices in supply chain analytics to remain competitive in the market. Takeaways of this presentation is that combine supply chain management knowledge with your analytics skills and soft skills, showcase real project and certifications, and network actively so you can land your dream job. The future belongs to the data-driven supply chains professionals. At the end, I will say like the presentation, share with your other friends, and subscribe my channel, and comments if you have any questions.